Hey everyone, it's Joe, your friend of motorsports. Today we're talking gear. We're talking the number one most important piece of gear you can buy, the helmet. I know you're excited. You just bought that new side-by-side, you bought that new quad, you bought that new dirt bike, and you cannot wait to get out on the trails and start ripping it up. I'm excited for you, but we gotta keep you safe. This is the way to do it. Now I get asked a ton of times, what should I spend on a helmet? What does a good helmet cost? Well, I've seen helmets on the low end of about $100. I've seen them up to over $1,000. Now don't worry, you don't have to spend over $1,000 to keep yourself safe. The reason I brought this particular helmet to show you, because this is our number one seller. We sell a lot of helmets at our store, and this is by far our best seller. It comes in at $399 retail, but it's packed full of features. The padding on the Fox helmets are second to none. They are so comfortable and they break in nice. Now, if it gets dirty, you just pop these out, throw them in the washing machine and give them a wash, not a problem. Ergonomics, fit and finish, and the look are second to none. Nice big area here for your goggles, so you're not having to worry about that. Even comes with a few extras that you don't pay any extra for. It's got an extender for your visor, so to keep the sun out on those sunny days out on the track. Got a little mouthpiece that pops in here that has a little straw hole in it, which is pretty cool, so you don't have to take your helmet out to get some water. Nuts and bolts, we know we're always stripping those things out or losing them, so it comes with some extras. And your instruction manual. Now you say, why do I need an instruction manual for a helmet? You just put it on and strap it. No, there's more to it. That little booklet talks about all the innovation and the quality that's in this helmet right here. Again, the Fox V3, our number one seller, keeps you safe, doesn't break the bank. Just a great overall helmet. I hope to see you out on the track. Have fun and be safe.